Well, what do you think could be in there?
I don't know, weed?
Oh, oh yeah, I got you 2 titties for your birthday.
Oh look, they got little hippie stickers on them.
Welcome back. Hope everyone's keeping well this winter. Are you cold? Stupid question. I'm going to see my friend David in a couple of weeks. I was thinking the other day, oh, what's something nice I could just, you know, bring down, say hi kind of thing and give to him. Be like, oh, yo, this is for you. It's yours, that type of thing. I thought, what do you get the man who has everything, eh? And then it came to me. He has been fingerboarding naked this whole time. And that's not on. So as the seamstress friend that I am, I thought, hey, how about I make the world's tiniest pants? It could be an ultimate fail, it could be a hit. Now I've got 2 fabrics that I thought I could make mini pants for him out of. So we've got a nice navy blue, and then we've got a pink. David's fingers are quite girthy from record, so I might have to try and figure out how I'm gonna make something for his fingers. Yeah, okay. Let's get to making a pattern, eh? What do you think about my idea to make tiny pants?
Them.
Okay. So my siblings have just joined me. I've got Aspen and Taylor, who's she's running the camera. Little intuition, and now Aspen's gonna help me sew these pants together. We're gonna pin the right sides of the little pants together, and then we're gonna sew.
How do I stop it?
You press the same button.
I'm recording myself.
Okay.
I know how to do it.
No, don't touch that. And we're done.
Yellow underpaint.
I think it was a success. We have finger pants. So, I hope David likes these.
Go to my YouTube channel, Taylor and Matt.
Now to reveal David's present.
It's been very hyped up. Oh, thank you.
You're so welcome. Well, what do you think could be in there?
I don't know, weed?
Oh, oh yeah, I got you 2 titties for your birthday.
Oh look, they got little hippie stickers on them.
I just did that for decoration.
Should I open the card first?
It's already a little bit open because...
Because you opened it to see what it said?
No, because when it was your birthday party, I took the present and your card out with me all night. And it got it. No, there's no money in it, I'm sorry.
Alright, these ones. Get out of my way, rock. I can't, I'm a rock.
Isn't that funny?
Did you make that?
Nah, Kid and Wanaka did.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
It's hilarious.
I hope you had a good Friday, but not like the Jesus kind. Oh, thank you.
That's okay.
Are they both the same thing?
Maybe.
What is it?
I've really overhyped this.
Yeah, you've been hyping it up for a little while.
I know.
Is it like a bracelet?
No, it's cooler than that.
You make friendship bracelets?
No,
What the heck?
I'm not like that, David.
They're little pants?
Yes!
That's funny as.
It's because you've been skateboarding naked. And I made you 2 in case you shit in one pair.
Oh, they're shorts.
Oh, well, they're pants on me.
That's real sick.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Thank you.
Look, he's hipster. You can cuff them.
Oh, there we go.
Pink pants? What the? They look like yoga pants.
Now these are more gym tights. They just really show off your booty. Okay.
These ones might be a bit too tight.
That's the pain a woman goes through every time they get ready to go out.
No one's making you wear tight pants.
Society's making us wear tight pants.
Thanks, Liv.
That's alright. Today me and Isla are at a lavender farm because the mountain was closed today, wasn't it? Yeah. Welcome to my crib.